Hey guys, this is Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality, and I'm here to tell you a few reasons why you should not work with a headhunter. Now, as a headhunter and a recruiter, you're probably shocked to hear me say that, but there are some scenarios and some times where you should not be working with a recruiter or a headhunter. And here are those reasons why. If the headhunter does not have deep industry knowledge of your industry, that's a red flag. They're not going to be able to understand what roles are a perfect match for you or advocate for you when they push you through the process. Always look for headhunters with specific industry knowledge and specifically that work within your niche. Here's another reason why not to work with a headhunter. High pressure tactics, big salesmanship. Beware of these high pressure tactics. If a headhunter is trying to persuade you or talk you into accepting a role that you know in your gut is not a fit or you're a little weary of, be very cautious. A great headhunter and recruiter is going to take the time to understand your career trajectory, listen to what you want to do within your career, give you honest feedback, and even if it's hard to tell you or maybe sometimes hard to accept, they'll even tell you if a role is not a fit for you. Listen to the ones that sound like they're being transparent and the ones that are not trying to sell you and push you into a role because they're looking to make a quick buck. Here's another reason why you should not be working with a headhunter. Poor communication. Look, we're all human. No recruiter is going to be perfect, but there are some out there that are just dreadful. And if you have a recruiter or a headhunter that has poor communication, that right there should tell you you don't want to work with them. If they're hard to reach, they don't follow up, they're giving you pretty unclear expectations or just being vague about what's going on in the process, that right there should tell you you should not be working with them. You deserve someone who's responsive and transparent throughout the whole process. Now, a good way to navigate this is ask them what's the best way of communication and how long you should wait for a follow-up, and then hold them accountable. Here is a big reason why you should not be working with a headhunter. Hidden fees. Beware of any fees that come to you as a candidate. They should not be charging you. Most headhunters, in fact, all reputable ones, are paid by the employer, not the candidate. So make sure you're clear and concise and transparent when you start that conversation if there's any charge to you. And if there is, avoid it at all costs. Look, I am a headhunter and a recruiter. I've been doing this for over 20 years and I love my profession. And I think that headhunters and recruiters are super valuable throughout your job search. But sometimes you might find a bad egg, and sometimes it might not just be the right time to work with one. So I just wanted to share a couple reasons with you on why you should not be working with a recruiter, and I hope that these tips have helped. If you like the content of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality. I'm a hospitality headhunter in the state of Florida. If you're looking for a job and you have any career questions, you can shoot me a DM, you can email me, you can even message me on this YouTube channel, and you can follow this channel for some more tips as you navigate your job search. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.